Oscar. So Oscar is green.
I'll choose red.
Red is Elmo. Okay, so this is red. And I will do Cookie Monster and also Big Bird. It is really, really lovely.
That's good.
I like it. It's balanced. It's not too sweet.
And it's not too hard, but soft in the middle.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome back to the cake trail, and today we're making
Sugar cookies.
sugar cookies for my birthday.
Elmo theme.
Elmo theme.
Yes, welcome back to the cake show. I have with me my beautiful boys, Jaden and Jeremy. And Jeremy is turning 5. So we're going to be making sugar cookies. Drum roll. What's the theme for your birthday?
Elmo.
Elmo.
How to get to Sesame Street.
How to get to Sesame Street.
So let's tell me how to
get
to Sesame Street.
It's birthday today.
Oh yes. Okay, so for our cake, I'm so used to doing cake videos. For our cookies, we are actually going to make Elmo and Friends, and we have some
Elmo.
cookie cutters here. So we have
Oscar.
Elmo. This is Elmo. That's Oscar. This is, who's this, Jeremy?
Big Bird.
This is Big Bird. Here, you can take Big Bird. Oh, okay. So that's Big Bird. And this is Ernie. Yes. We are going to be using our recipe, and I've printed the recipe so it's easy for the boys to just read out what we're doing. Here we have our mixer, and we have the dough beater here. And our recipe calls for 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So we have our flour here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to be putting all the ingredients that we need in our mixing bowl.
The big mixing.
Yes, the big mixing bowl. So we need 2 1/4 cups. So we have our 1/4 cup here. So we are actually going to double our recipe. Should we double our recipe so we have more cookies, or we just do the standard one?
Let's double it.
Double it.
Double it? Okay, so let's double our recipe. So that makes our recipe 4.5 cups of flour. Thank you. Who can tell me the next ingredient to go in?
Baking powder.
Baking powder. So we have our baking powder here, and it says we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And if we're going to be doubling the recipe, how many teaspoons of baking powder do we need, Jaden?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of baking
Can I
powder.
try?
Okay, so Jeremy, you do the baking powder. Jaden, you do the salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So if we're doubling it, what does that give us? 1/2 teaspoon salt. And
Why are we adding salt to cookies? Won't that make it salty?
so you need to balance the sugar, right? I do not like overly sweet cookies, and even overly sweet cake. There is actually a science to adding salt to kind of balance and level the sweetness in any food. Next, we're going to add our granulated sugar. So we need 1.5 cup of sugar. Let's put the sugar in. So we need 1/2 cup. We don't have a 1/2 cup here, but we have our 1/4 cup. How many of this are we gonna put?
2.
2. Good.
1.
2. And we need how many eggs?
1.
1 egg, but because we're doubling,
2.
2. So this is our butter, and we are going to cut out 1/4 such that we have 3/4 left. What's rule number 1 in the kitchen?
Safety first.
Safety first. As much as possible, mommy or adults should help you with the knife. The measurement for our butter is 170 grams. 170 times 2 is what?
340.
Yep. So we're going to measure and make sure that our 3/4 cup is 340 grams.
Mom.
This is 340. I'm just going to put this in the microwave for
Minute.
just about 20 seconds, just to make it really soft. Our butter is soft, and we're going to put our butter into the mixer.
What? I just crossed it.
Yes, you did.
That's a better way to get egg out, crossing it. Yeah. I just crossed the egg. Try doing that. It's opening.
Good job.
So,
We need to add vanilla, and we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So this is what it looks like, just having only the butter mixed with all the dried ingredients. We're going to put the egg.
That's strong.
So the egg is actually what's going to bring it together. I'm going to increase the speed. So while you're mixing, always scrape the sides of your mixing bowl so you have everything come together. You don't want to have some part butter, some part sugar, some part flour. We're done mixing, and this is what it looks like. So we have our rolling mat. Take a bit and roll into
Little mini ball.
yeah, just like this. So the whole point is that we don't want it too soft when we are rolling it out. So we have our lined tray, and we're just going to put this on the tray and put everything in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So,
that is.
what color are you going to make, Jeremy? Who do you want to make?
I want to make Oscar.
Oscar? So Oscar is green. Hold on. Jaden, who do you want to make?
Well, I was going to go for Oscar, but since Jeremy took it, I'll choose red.
Red is Elmo. Okay, so this is red. And I will do Cookie Monster and also Big Bird. So I get to do blue and yellow. So we're going to add a bit of food coloring. Jeremy, I will help you. I'm going to add a bit of food coloring
Like
to
this?
Yes. The reason we are using gloves is that we do not want to have the gloves get into. Hold on, Jaden. You need to depress.
Oh, make a little hole.
Yeah.
Like a book.
Yeah. All right, Jeremy. So we have it in.
1 drop should be enough.
No,
right?
1 drop is not enough. Elmo is red, right? So this is why we're wearing gloves.
2 drops. How many drops should I put in?
Put more, so that we do not get our hands. So Jeremy, this is yours. This is green. So we have colored our cookie dough, and we are going to roll out the cookie dough and use a special Elmo, Cookie Monster, Big Bird,
Is this
and
mine?
Oscar cookie cutters to cut out the cookies.
Is this
I have my pans here, and I've lined my pans. Do you know why I lined the pans?
So that when the cookies are finished baking, they don't stick to the pan.
Exactly.
Oh.
So we will line our pans, and then we start rolling. So
What? Mom, I need to ask, but what are the rubber bands on these for?
very good question. So the rubber band would help you size the thickness of the cookies. So if you see the purple is bigger than the red,
Yeah.
so if the purple is first, it means your cookie is going to be a bit thick. But if it's the red means the cookie is going to be thinner. So the more bands you have, like this is mine, and I have this very big band. So when I'm rolling my dough, I like my dough to be somewhat thick. So you can see how thick this. If you put this band on it, I got yours missing, so it's not going to work for you. Yes. I don't know what this are. Well, see? So you have this, and so you see the space underneath the bands? That's actually how thick the cookie is. So we're going to roll the cookies to a particular thickness.
I made Oscar.
Yep, that's Oscar. But we need to make the impression very well. So let's see if we can press it. So that when it comes, yay!
Yeah. What? Oscar's smiling.
Yes, Oscar's smiling. Isn't he supposed to smile?
It's Elmo.
Yes, it's Elmo.
Big Bird.
Elmo!
Oscar.
Cookie Monster.
We have colored, rolled, and cut out our Sesame Street themed cookies. I hope you like them as much as we do, right, Jeremy?
Yeah.
The next step is to bake these. So these will be baked in the oven for about 11 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we will show you how lovely they turn out after baking. The cookies are baked and they look really beautiful. And so we're going to sample them. What are you having, Big Bird?
Yeah.
What are you going to have, Jeremy?
Elmo.
Elmo, okay, and I will have Cookie Monster.
Who's gonna have Oscar?
Oh, we're gonna try Oscar.
We can share Oscar. It is really, really lovely.
That's good.
I like it. It's balanced. It's not too sweet.
And it's not too hard, but soft in the middle.
Yeah. It's
Even
very
the inside
chewy.
is like yellow now, so
It's very chewy in the middle. This is what it looks like inside. What new thing did you learn about cookies?
About the butter
Mmm.
was unsalted.
Yes, we used unsalted butter. Good job, Jeremy.
It kind of tasted good.
It did taste good. How about
it's
you,
like
JD?
air. And what I learned is that kneading food coloring into cookie dough is hard.
Yep, and so we hope you have enjoyed baking with us. We had fun making Elmo, Oscar, Cookie Monster, and Big Bird. Thank you for hanging out with us and stay tuned for more videos.
And subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to hit
Like,
Subscribe
Yes.
the
button.
subscribe button
and give us a like and thumbs up.
thumbs up.
And share to your friends too, so that they can have a happy Sesame Street themed birthday or cookie party.
Yay!
Or cookie class.
Oh, cookie class, yes.
Okay, class.
You can cookies.
Thank you guys. See you next time.
Bye.